It's 66 days before the UPCAT. Nag-review ka na ba? Ano, tara? Problem number 1. Peter can finish painting a wall in 6 hours. John can finish painting the same wall in 3 hours. How long will it take them to finish painting it together? So dito, may formula tayo na 1 over time A plus 1 over time B equals 1 over time A plus B. So, ang kailangan natin mahanap is kapag nagtulungan si John at si Peter, ilang oras nila matatapos yung pagpipinta doon sa wall. So, may given tayo na si Peter, matatapos niya na pinturahan yung wall in 6 hours. So, yun yung magiging time A natin, 1 over 6 plus 1 over gano'n naman katagal matatapos ni John pinturahan yon. And sabi sa problem natin, 3 hours. So, 1 over 3. So, pag sinolve natin tong fractions na to is kailangan natin munang hanapin yung common denominator nila. Since magkaiba yung denominator. At sa case na to, ang common denominator nila is 6. So, magiging 1 over 6 pa rin yung unang fraction natin. Tapos, magiging 2 over 6 naman yung second fraction natin. So, solving it, pag pinag-add, magiging 3 over 6 or simplifying, magiging 1 half. Ibig sabihin, 1 half of the wall matatapos nila in 1 hour. So that means, sabi sa problem, gaano nila katagal matatapos kung yung buong wall. So kung natapos nila yung 1 half sa isang oras and another 1 half sa isang oras, matatapos nila yung buong wall. So that means 2 hours yung itatagal para matapos ni Peter at ni John yung isang wall. Yes! Papasa na tayo sa UPCAT!